Come on, Matt.
Come on, man.
Okay, this is a good night for the team. 3-0 in this semi-finals, something unbelievable.
Yeah, it feels good. It's good to come here in Rome and get a win. It puts us at a big advantage in the series. If we can come out, finish the job on Friday night, we'll be even better. So that's the goal, get to the finals and just keep playing hard.
There's something crazy in this team that everybody can win the game. You made the third quarter, incredible third quarter, and it means that you are really a team.
Yeah, I mean, I think nobody gives up. Nobody stops playing hard at any moment. Guys that are on the bench, guys that are in the game, everybody's always ready and focused to play, and that's the biggest part that's made us, get this far, and that's what we got to keep doing.
Yes.